This is my bestseller from Indian collection, and I have only one pair of each earring design. These are made with gemstones. In this specific earring we can see the Amazonite and the green onyx. This is gold plated sterling silver and it looks so beautiful. So this earring has a C shape, it's half a hoop, and it's like a stud earring. You have the stopper and you have it on your ear and then you just fix it. That easy. Here we go, you can see it on my ear. So beautiful. If you are a gem lover, green and blue Amazonite and green onyx are the best of the gems and you won't regret. This is my premium collection. If you really love it, DM me now because there is not even on my website. I have so many nice other Indian earrings. Follow me to see the more from my jewelry collection. I can't wait to show them one by one on the next videos.